Hey y'all, I had to work late again today. I got one more late day and then I'll be early and can cook something better. I got this leftover Cajun spaghetti. I'm about to make me and Caden some spaghetti grilled cheese. Y'all know I've done that the one time already. We liked it so much. Last time I didn't heat up the spaghetti first, and I remember thinking that was the only thing I would change, because you have to cook it longer inside real good and hot if you don't heat it up first. I was going to do these last night, but when I got home I didn't feel good. Well, I ain't felt good all day today either, and guess why? I have not took my medicine in 2 days. I don't know why. I never miss my medicine. I took it as soon as I walked through the door tonight. I don't know what got into me, but we ain't doing that no more. A couple of the things I take is pretty important too. One of them is a beta blocker. I can always tell when I don't take it too. I can just feel my heart pounding in my chest. I'm gonna make my spaghetti grilled cheese just like I make my regular grilled cheese. I'm gonna butter each piece of bread. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter down in the pan. One of the only things I do differently is I take some garlic powder. This is granulated garlic from Williamson Brothers, but instead of it just being butter, it's gonna be butter and garlic. So it's gonna be like garlic toast. I just put a little bit. Get that butter melted in your pan real good. Put the first 2 pieces down. Our plastic cheese on them. I got this going on a medium heat. And then we're gonna take our Cajun spaghetti and put a little bit on each one. That's what we're looking like so far. We're about to put the bread on top. And while I wait for this to be ready to flip, I need to show y'all what was at my door when I got home. Look at this basket. Is it not so sweet? It looks like it's got all kind of stuff for our coffee board with Jesus in her heart and coffee in her hand. She is unstoppable. Amen. And look, some cute coffee cups. And a little like cutting board decoration with the Highland cow on it. It is amazing. This comes from my next door neighbor across the street. Thank you so much, Miss Crystal. That is so sweet. I just flipped them. I can tell that we're going to be so blessed in the department of who all these neighbors are, because so many of them have reached out or messaged me to let me know who they are and welcome me to the neighborhood. We feel very blessed. And sometimes we get in the comments like, how's everybody adjusting? How's Caden liking his school? I'll let Caden give you an update in a minute. But the animals too, they've been asking about the animals. The animals have adjusted. Sophie probably took the longest because she don't see and hear very good anymore. And so she had already learned the old house. So it took her a little while to learn this house and not be kind of scared or jumpy. She's right at home now. Ooh, these are ready. Look at them. Perfect color. Come tell them about your school and how you're adjusting.
Hello. Not really much different from my last update from school. Everything's going well. I recently learned that we get boba there, so life's going pretty well. So it's looking like. I can't wait to eat this.
Me too. Cheers.
Cheers. Hot. Hot. It's good though.
I'm immune. Oh, it's so good. Y'all try it. I love you. Stay classy.